What if I told you that you could start making money while you sleep? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. I'm taking on the challenge of building real wealth using passive income strategies, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too, step by step. The truth is, building wealth isn't just for the lucky few, it's something anyone can do. And the key to unlocking financial freedom? Passive income. That's why I'm here to break it all down in a simple, practical way, so you can start your own journey today. Now, before we dive in, let's clear up some major misconceptions about passive income. Number one, I need a lot of money to start. Nope. You can start small and build your wealth over time. Number two, only financial experts can do this. Wrong again. Anyone can learn and apply these strategies with patience and the right mindset. Number three, passive income is a get-rich-quick scheme. Not even close. It takes time, effort, and consistency, but the rewards are worth it. Number four, it's only for the wealthy. Absolutely not. Passive income is for anyone who wants more financial security and freedom. So if you believed any of these myths, don't worry, I'm here to help you see what's really possible. Now let's talk about the actual ways you can start making passive income. There are tons of strategies out there, but here are three of the best, especially if you're just getting started. Number one, real estate investing. Buying rental properties can generate consistent income every month. Even if you don't have a lot of cash, there are creative ways to get started, like house hacking or real estate crowdfunding. Number two, dividend stocks. Investing in established companies that pay out dividends means you get paid just for holding onto your stocks. It's a great way to grow your wealth over time with minimal effort. Number three, digital products. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or even a simple digital template. Creating a product once and selling it over and over is one of the most powerful ways to earn passive income. Each of these strategies has its pros and cons, so the key is to find what aligns with your skills, interests, and financial goals. Let me share a quick personal story. A few years ago, I invested in my first rental property. At first, the income was small, just enough to cover a few bills. But that small step made a huge difference. It showed me what was possible. From there, I started investing in dividend stocks and creating digital products, and before I knew it, my passive income streams were growing. The biggest lesson I learned? Take action, start small, and stay consistent. It's not about making huge moves overnight. It's about building momentum over time. Here's what I want you to remember. Passive income is for everyone, not just the wealthy or experts. Start with what you have and grow from there. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, start today. Choose one strategy, do your research, and take that first step. Now, I want to hear from you. Which passive income strategy are you most interested in? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you don't miss my next video on financial literacy tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.